Why me?
Your face.
Why me?
We are...
We're stapling ponytails to sell.
Kami ay nagre-repack ng mga ponytails. I buy these ponytails and then I choose to repack it.
And my mom is learning how
makakumita ng konti.
And my mom is learning how to English.
Yeah.
Because I'm better at English than her.
Oh.
Yes, it's true. How do you say butas in English?
I don't know why you said goodbye.
See?
Just let me know we didn't know. Forever my love. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung aking ginagawa, guys. Meron ako sa aking business.
Small business
for 15 pesos. 10 pesos.
Can I keep this back?
Yeah, of course.
I like it.
Kuha ka pa ng isa. Ganito, lagay ito. Para tayo, ayan. Bumili ako ng isang pack. Ayan, tapos nirepack ko siya ng 5 piraso. Diba? Para magkaroon lang tayo ng konting kita.
Mom. Remember I had to talk with the American customers that we had in SM? Because they didn't understand you.
What? He said he understand the way I speak. Alam mo na, ang mga Amerikano, hindi sila perfectionist.
Some.
Basta marunong kang makipag-usap, okay na yun sa kanila.
It depends on the person.
You don't have to speak fluently in English as long as they understand you. That's okay with them.
It's on the person, not the nationality. Fashion jewelry.
O, diba guys? May na ano ako. Or ano lang. Diba? Meron ako dito kikitain.
Mom is Englishing.
O, diba? Kailangan natin mag-isip ng business. Kahit anong business para lang kumita ng konti. Kasi masyadong mahirap ang buhay.
What if you fell off?
Uy, ba't iba na to? Ma. Ano ba yan? Saan nilagay ito? Ilan ba yan? Dapat 5 pieces.
It is 5. An extra fell off.
Sobra?
Yes. It's an extra one.
Ay kulang pa.
See? Told you.
Kaya mo na ba yung kulang kahapon sa gabi?
Alin kulang?
Na 3.5?
3.5. At ito mo na, ito na lang.
Yung magkano?